Hello, welcome to Weathertainment 2.0. I'm meteorologist Jeff Matthews. Check of your weather forecast here. And don't forget, there's plenty more on the site, whether it's your daily inspiration as well as current conditions, local radar, weather history, astronomy. I can go on and on and on. But you're here for weather, so let's talk about the temp trend, where the average is now down to 78. 82 for Friday, that's your forecast high for today. 84 for Saturday, and look at Sunday and Monday. Every day we get closer to Sunday and Monday, I wind up bumping it up another degree or two, and now we're at the point where I'm forecasting highs in the upper 80s before it begins to drop off a little bit for next week. Meanwhile, don't forget to follow me on Twitter. If you're on Twitter, my handle, jmatthews_WUTR. Now a look at your three weather headlines. An isolated afternoon storm. There'll probably be maybe 2 or 3 or 5 across the whole state. Not everyone is likely to see one with this cool front passing through, and it's not really going to have any of a cooling effect because it's only going to start warming right back up Saturday afternoon and Sunday. A very warm weekend ahead. That leads right into my second weather headline. And my last weather headline is a final reminder: diminishing returns with the Perseid meteor shower. You really got to get out now to see some, because every night less than the previous night. Radar's quiet. You can see just the remnants of a few showers over the Adirondacks that I mentioned yesterday afternoon you'd likely see, but for the rest of us, not so much here in the valley. Here's what we have. Fair weather to start your Friday, but there's a cold front approaching. So the clouds will begin to edge in more and more and more, and then the showers will begin to break out in the late morning and afternoon hours. But again, this front doesn't have much punch, so even as the sun fades away and the clouds move in, there's not going to be many rain showers moving across the state today, and it'll be for this afternoon only. So it's a one-time and one-time only a weather event. High pressure that brought us the nice weather yesterday is going away, but this front coming in is going to be very short-lived. It'll just keep the clouds around from late morning, afternoon, and evening into early Saturday before another bubble of high pressure builds back in for Sunday and Monday and really heats things back up. I would apologize for that bad framing here, but that's the Weather Service, not me. I can't help what happens with the satellite imagery. But there's one bad image in there from yesterday. There's the old cold front from a couple of days ago. The dry weather for yesterday. This is the front. Look at that. Hardly any action along it. Most of it's up in Canada. But again, there's enough energy and moisture to increase the clouds and to at least mention the possibility of a later afternoon thunderstorm today. Meanwhile, Thursday turned out very close to forecast, 76 and 60 versus my forecast of 77 and 60. The rain was from overnight Wednesday night into early Thursday morning, the pre-dawn hours. And there's your almanac, where we're at 14 hours of daylight and going down. The forecast is going down in 60 seconds.
Welcome to Intermission. Yeah, Intermission.
7-day forecast, starting with your Friday. Sun to clouds to maybe a rumble of thunder later this afternoon. A warm day with a high of 82 degrees. Tonight, turning mostly and then partly cloudy, so the weather system kind of fizzling out and leaving us with just patchy clouds and a low around 65, so a warm night. And then for your Saturday, look at that, mostly sunny and warm, a high of 84 degrees. The 7-day forecast keeps it coming for Sunday, 88. Monday, breezy and warm and humid, 88. And then a front comes through sometime on Tuesday, it looks like, with a thunder shower a possibility, and that would lead to drier air and cooler temperatures as well for the middle of next week. That is your 7-day forecast. Make it a great day.